What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today we have with us an awesome bike. As you've seen on some of our other videos, we've been talking a lot about folding fat tire e-bikes. So we got our hands on this Gen 3 Groove. Let's unbox it. Boom. Whoa, whoa, not yet, not yet. Well, bam! Dude, is it weird that I like the black packing foam, the dark packing foam versus the white? Oh man, I'm pumped. Look at the color. Ah! It's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Good job. Whoa. Welcome to the club, baby. Metal fenders, not plastic. I like that. Oh, the handlebars are so cool. Dude, I like this. I feel like every time we unbox a bike, they just get better and better and better. They put this hard block of foam right by the derailleur, even though there's a derailleur cage to protect in any event of some funky shipping. So thank you for doing that, because that tends to happen. And so far, so good. This bike is beautiful. Function of the rear derailleur. All right, so it doesn't look like the battery came fully charged, and we got some videos we want to film with this today. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock it and put this battery on the charger. One charger, manual, toolkit, pedal, quick release, and rear light. Let's open it up. I thought the pedals were bright blue. I thought the pedals were bright blue. Does this look like to you?
So taken aback.
It's so good, so good. Well, the cellophane is like blue. Tripping. Pepperoni and cheese, please. You can also use this if you're like someone's trying to rob you. Like bing! This thing is heavy, but that's good because it's a lot of battery. It almost looks like that thing from Ghostbusters, which another movie, again, I love. I reference that a lot, where he holds it up and it's got the little like ghost inside.
It makes me feel good.
Whatever, camera guy. Bro, have you ever seen Ghostbusters? Are you kidding me? Not number 1 or 2?
Nor the one with all the women.
Well, that's not even a Ghostbusters. That's like a Grossbusters. I think it was awful. I was so excited when I started watching that movie. I was like, this is gonna be the best. The opening scene, like the whole thing. And then it was just the worst movie. I was so frustrated by the end, but I've had to finish it, just see if it got better. It just never did. Dang it. What the heck? There's a treasure map inside. Bro, I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get that. All right, let's try that again. Phew. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, right. Let's rest. Get a little higher, get a little lower. Oh man, I totally forgot. It's like that little thing in there. I like this. I like that they put a quick release. I think that's a good idea. Woohoo! This thing is awesome. All right, so there you have it. We have successfully unboxed our first Gen 3 folding bike. Our next video is going to be first impressions, but I'm going to give you one for free right here. There is nothing cheap plastic on this bike. This is all metal. It is solid. I'm excited to get it on the road. So in the next video, we're going to give you our first impressions. If you're interested in getting one of these bikes, you can visit GEN3 at the link below, and stay tuned for the next video.
Babe, what are you doing?